Imagine 10 years from now, talking about race will be illegal. What will your children say about you? Were you one of those comply to a racist government? A looting racist government? Or did you say, I will not comply? I will not comply to a racist, socialist, destructive regime like the ANC. We will be talking about the ANC as the previous government, the destruction, the catered deployment, and how evil it was.
This is a visual representation of how bad the corruption is in South Africa, and I don't think people fully grasp the extent to which it happens so blatantly. Hangwani Maumela's Sandton mansion was raided, and this is a photo of three Lamborghinis. Money stolen from a hospital that is in dire conditions. Like, we see videos coming out of Tembisa Hospital and patients are screaming and crying. They're not cared for. The wards are dirty. The buildings are falling apart. There's a side of the wing that was burned down and never repaired. And then there's three Lamborghinis. And that's not even the half of it. You guys should look up videos on TikTok of the actual house raid, because the house looks like it's so big. It is such a big, large, extortionate house. Like, it's giving, I don't even know how to describe like this level of mansion. I don't know how to begin to describe it. Like, you could literally turn it into an entire complex or like suite of offices. And you know what's so devastating is that the youth doesn't want to vote. They're like, oh no, I don't want to vote. There's no point. It's gonna just stay the same. It stays the same because you don't vote. You get that, right? We are facing the most insane levels of unemployment, the most unbelievable levels of poverty in South Africa. Like, most people don't have jobs. And that's not even an exaggeration. Most people don't have a job. Most people go to university, graduate, and will not have a job. I am just shocked that the power is in our hands, and yet there are people who decide not to exercise that power, even for the slightest chance that things could change. This is insane to me. 3 Lamborghinis. Do you know how evil you must be to do the things that these people do? How do you sleep at night? How do you sleep at night? It's crazy. And they're never gonna care. They're never gonna care. We went from state capture to whatever the fuck this is, and nothing has changed, and no one has been held accountable. And yet, the one opportunity that you have to possibly change things, you say, I'm not gonna vote. Or you vote the ANC. It's insane. Also, that is Cyril Ramaphosa's nephew. I don't care how much he says he's estranged, that is his nephew.
I'm not getting too excited about these SIU raids, and I'll tell you why in just a moment. For those of you who aren't familiar with the story, yesterday, the SIU raided the 3-story Sandton mansion belonging to Hangwani Maumela, and he is the businessman who received more than 800 million rand from the 2 billion rand that was looted from Tembisa Hospital. Now, he is the nephew of President Cyril Ramaphosa from a previous marriage, and this is how they're related. His father, Hangwani's father, is the brother to the president's previous wife. Basically, his father was the president's brother-in-law. That's how they're related. The president insists they have no relationship. They seized all kinds of items, including 3 Lamborghinis and expensive paintings, and it's part of a 300 million rand asset forfeiture case they have against Mr. Maumela. A couple of years ago, a very similar raid was carried out by the authorities, and it was that of the controversial businessman Edwin Sodi. They seized all kinds of items. It was pretty much on the same scale. This included luxury Italian sports vehicles and other items. Now, his company had received tenders to the tune of hundreds of millions of rands, and that's putting it lightly. And this came after he had appeared before the Zondo Commission and admitted to having made a series of payments to people in the ANC ANC, including the ANC itself. These payments ranged from tens of thousands of rands to millions. But why am I telling you the story? Well, last year, Edwin Sodi bought back some of the assets that they seized. Yeah.
Mna andiwokhi kweli cala lesentini apho kuhlala khona ezi-celebrities zenu zino-3 bedroom. Andiwokhi kwelo cala. Mna ndiwokha kweli cala lesentini uthi xa ujonga uqonda uba hayi yi-estate le ne but uthi uyaqwalasela mhlawumbi ngaphakathi ufumaniseke uba istructure esi singaphakathi awusi-understand yabo structure singaphakathi ngumbhazalala we-structure awusi-understand kanti yindlu yomntu ayo estate. So xa ndihamba esentini ke mna xa ndisithi ndisesentini ndikuloo macala asesentini. So ndibhizi ke ndiyawokha apho ndiyawokha ndiva umntu endikhwaza mendi gqoba hayi wena uzondikhwaza esentini ndithi mna because kaloku funeka ndisabelile uyandibiza ndithi athi zangapha ndithi hayi wena athi yiwethu kushubile nyani xa ndisithi ndiphosa amehlo phezulu zii-drones phezulu ndisondele ndithi guys kwenzeka ntoni kube kusithiwa heyi ezi moto uzibona apha ziimoto ze-SIU yava niyayikhumbula i-SIU i-SIU yiyo leya uncoverisha la syndicate kaloku yasethembisa eza millions yiyo ii-billions ezaluthwayo phaa ethembisa hospital yeke kwabe kusithiwa yi-SIU le uyibona ethe nqwadalala apha ndisike mako hayi shemba wenzile umsebenzi omhle ngosibonisa laa nto yala syndicate yabo hayi bawenzile umsebenzi omhle. So ithini into bafuna ntoni apha kwathiwa heyi le ndlu uyibonayo yindlu kaHangwani Maumela andikwazi ukulubiza ke igama likaHangwani kazinindixolele oyini yava ube sithiwa le ndlu uyibonayo yindlu kaHangwingwe ndisike hayi wena uHangwingwe uhlala apha yava kwabe kusithiwa uhlala apho uHangwingwe and ke ngoku asinazi noba uzawuphuma na okanye izawuthini into ayintle indlu ayintle indlu ingathi kwimagazini ingathi ku-top billing kwathini phofu ke kuthiwa uHangwingwe yi-leader yala syndicate yapha ke ngoku ethembisa yava kuthiwa kwa uVusi uNomkhitsi kuthiwa uNomkhitsi wayeripota apha kuHangwingwe ngalaa nto yeni nani ndithe ndisajongeleyo xa ndisithi hayi mantyuru kudu iLamborghini yazibona ezi SUV ezithe kyuru kudu iLamborghini yaphuma ifakwa kweza truck ayidrayiva bayoyika noyidrayiva bayifaka kweza truck bayenzela ubuchule bamayingene yabo kungenzeka imistake bayifaka yangena yabithe tu bandazi yathula ithe tu inhle imoto kuthiwa iLamborghini yava ndathi ndisajongeleyo kyuru kudu eyesibini same color but leke ngoku zezi zincinci ngathi zithoy niyazi ba yabe nayo isini yayibona le balilate nayo yangena yaba ndithi ndisajongeleyo kyolu kudu eyesithathu nayo same color zonke zina number plates nayo same color kyolu kudu ndabe ndiqumba hayi ke le yesithathu sisilay queen yangena le yesithathu kwa indlela abayifake ngayo uyayibona inxiba heels ishaya ngenye iwive ibethe ezimpundweni yaba nyani yangena zangena zontathu zathi ndaqomba hayi man yangunumber 1 inqoqonqoqo yakhona yangunumber 2 umadam yangunumber 3 iside chick ndathi ake kwathiwa zihambe kanjalo ke iimoto zikaHangwingwe. So ke ngoku uHangwingwe inoba naye he's being investigated because kaloku zithathiwe namhlanje bekusenziwa nje search and seizure zithathiwe ke iimoto zikaHangwingwe but azithathwanga ngabaya base-KZN zithathwa ngalamapolisa kaloku ebephanda si-special unit ngabo ebesiphanda laa nto yasethembisa. So siso ke ngoku special unit besipha kuHangwingwe sithathe ezo nto ke special units sendisitsho guys hey amasela ziwashubele kushubile for amasela kushubile for amasela sekushiyeke thina ngoku abantu abafree ndiyasola ba hey inintsi into ezakwenzeka uthe umkhwanazi the country is going to burn. How guys sikwasathana, it's burning, kuyatsha bantase. And ndiyayithanda le nto yenzekayo because it means ngokubana the people that were comfortable for so long kweli lizwe lethu, kule country yethu, are now getting uncomfortable, and I like it. Don't stop it, please. Qhubekekani bantu benza umsebenzi omhle, qhubekekani. But ke sifuna nohangwingwi. Nizile kaloku nathi nguye, khani nithi niyamrhanela nethe nguye, so simfuna. Please, bantas.
Guys, you won't believe this. So the SIU Special Investigating Unit just raided businessman Hangwani Maumela's luxury mansion in Sandhurst, Sandton. They seized Lamborghinis, designer furniture, and even high-end artwork, all part of the 820 million operation. So according to IOL News, this raid is linked to the Tembisa Hospital looting scandal, the same one that Ubabita Deokaran tried to expose before she was unalived in 2021. So remember when we spoke about her, the whistleblower who uncovered how millions meant for hospital patients were being stolen. Well, people kept asking, what is the SIU going to do after all of that? I'm telling you, they've started. You can see. They've finally started. So this morning, on Thursday, 9th of October 2025, investigators arrived at Mawumela's mansion with locksmiths, law enforcement, and removal trucks. They took vehicles, art, and furniture, everything believed to have been bought with corrupt hospital money. The SIU says Mawumela's companies scored inflated contracts for medical supplies, catering, and cleaning, all through shady procurement deals. He's at the center of a network accused of helping loot over 2 billion from Tembisa Hospital. So the raid alone supports a 300 million forfeiture case against him and his associates. So yeah, it's happening. The same corruption Ubabita Deokaran was unalived trying to expose. The SIU is now taking back what was stolen. Let's hope this is the start for real accountability in South Africa. With that being said, I will see you on the next one. Ziakala.
You hella bothanda me Godzilla miti brother. Ba re ke Hangwani Maumela. Ba re ke cousin of Cyril Ramaphosa via manyalo. Brother on a little businesses, the shell, the what, brother, also a cash contact, but my put no, brother, o crack a cash. But brother, le Batua High, associates high, na baby, go Tembisa Hospital. So the investigation, Nancy Tamaya, Vanale Meomong, Kamara Hospital, answer check at the shelf, are Norman, more Hutimela Chelete, Arobone over millions, over 200 million, Yadilu, Tediti Melang. Fraudulent transactions meo. Bare chelete I bona Norman wa shota chelete ya tswa mara I bona hale e fella kae. Ba ga ntse le busy a checka a isa ngwana sekolong one morning ha bua ntlong do it. Ha bua ko ntlong ya hae do it a ba itse go ke mang a mmolaileng. Ba chapo ba re di chelete di nyametsenyana le nako le ka mma di COVID-19 ba re ba di 3 billion nako batho ba tlhoka di chelete tsa mempeto. Di chelete di nyametse ke brother. So no ba motsetsi dilo ba motsetsi ntlo koloi ke re ba ntlo hae. Di koloi tsa etse blue fela. My dream things. Ba di tse Bana bari allegedly crime is bad when you are not involved. And let's go again because ke more cake.
Kunento ethi opulence is sinful. Sithi dudu kulaba balahlekelwa imndeni yabo noma amalungu emndeni lapha eTembisa Hospital. Okwakumele benziwe surgical chemo operations kumele kwenziwe dialysis or analysis akangakwazi kwenzeka into kanjalo abangatholakalanga kunakekeleka beteta noma beoperate ngesimo sokuthi mhlawumbe isibhedlela sinagesi asiwakhokhile ama pills dudu kakhulu. Isimo nje sama-politicians zethu nosomabhizinisi abagreedy. Imphefumulo yabantu abantu bayithengile ingcebo ngegazi. Umuntu ngambongela umjabulela ukuthi empilweni yakhe kuhamba kahle kanti kufa abantu kuyina ebalaphe khona. Uyacabanga bangakanani abantu isibhedlela singakwazanga ukubasevisa amaphilisi engekho. Ibudget yesibhedlela imisuziwe, medication. ESouth Africa ngihlezi ngisho lento ukuthi izinto eziningi even unemployment izenziwa ngamasibomu. Budget yesibhedlela bangakabana nabantu abasebenzisa lesa sibhedlela lesiya. But umuntu is living a lavish lifestyle nomndeni wakhe. Hey, opulence madoda. Ingcebo ayinkinga yodwa lento le. Kodwa ke kusena, what was the need of this same color 3 Lamborghinis? Enye SUV or ay bafethu ay. Abaya abantu noma bengasawubonanga umbuso wakwelizayo baphilile emhlabeni. Hayibo, in 2 years I trust account, family trust account with 2.3 billion in circulation in 2 years. Ay bafethu ngeke usukela imonto ka 18 million. Hayi abaya abantu bafethu la eminyango sibaphelezela. Akusenani izwe lineyinkinga njengoba kuthanda abantu abathi.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Laba bantu ke na who are reacting to this news ukuthi tolo they were reading likhaya la Hangwai Maumela nephew Cyril Ramaphosa bathethe imoto takhe boma Lamborghini timoto leti bita kutala ukusho abantu basabambiwa ngaphansi imlomo ngemva kokuthi babone likhaya lakhe lelibita kulakanukusho. People even saying ukuthi ayibo likhaya elikhulu kangaka ngathi kuse airport. Abantu abaningi bayasho ukuthi inkosi yami kubuhlungu ukubhadala i-tax nithi nifuna ukuthi niphile kahle nikhona ukuthola idensity ema-clinic, but ema-clinic akunadensity, akunamibheda, akunalutho because naba bashana babo Ramaphosa badlata imali nangu phela naku. But licala lakhona liyotiphelela emoyeni. He's not even gonna be arrested. Satibonela nathi we know ukuthi kudinto leto wendeka kuye. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.